Hello and welcome back to another video on this channel. Today we are taking a look at Equitable Bank to see whether we are buying or waiting for price to fall. EQB is trading in Canadian dollars. The market cap of this bank is almost $1.8 billion. Its trailing 12-month PE is close to 6. EQB is paying $1.16 in dividends and yielding at 2.2%. Its current payout ratio is close to 10%. It is trading at its price to book value of 0.87. These are the key statistics of EQB. Now let's see its financial statements. Personally, I like to see at least 10 years of financial data. Let's start with income statement. Under income statement, we can see that revenue of this company is growing every single year. The interest income is also growing every single year and the net income is also growing. The number of shares outstanding is increasing as compared to past 10 years. Now let's move on to balance sheet. Here we can see that the current assets and total assets is increasing every single year. Its current liabilities and total liabilities is also increasing. If you take all its assets and subtract all its liabilities, you will get a book value of close to $1.9 billion. Let's move on to cash flow statement. On the screen, we can see cash from operating activity is quite volatile of recent years. Basically, banking industry and insurance industry tend to have quite volatile cash flow. We can see that the amount of dividend paid is also increasing year over year, which means company is increasing its dividend every single year. Let's move on to Freeform tool to see how company has performed over the past few years. In Freeform tool, I like to see at least 7 years of financial data. Here on my screen, you guys can see revenue is growing at compounded annual growth rate of 17.12%. The income has grown over the past 7 years at 15.23% compounded annually. The number of shares outstanding has also increased by 1.4% over the past few years. Dividends per share has increased at compounded annual growth rate of 15.64%. The average PE of EQB over the last 7 years is 7.27 and its price to book value is 1.05. By looking at its financial statement, we can conclude that EQB is growing its revenue exponentially and has good balance sheet. And this bank is hard to ignore, especially when it is increasing its dividend by 15.64% compounded annually and its payout ratio is close to 10%. Also mentioning, this bank provides its services online and only way for customers to reach out this bank is by either calling or going through their online services as compared to other Canadian banks where you can go to their branch location. Personally, I don't think this business is going under anywhere soon. I will be buying shares of this company when it is trading under its 52-week low range, but I also don't want to expose my portfolio too much to this position. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe for future content and let me know your views on this company down in the comment section. See you in the next video.